Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a sweet dish. It's an oats payasam or kheer. Many people hesitate to have oats because it's flavorless and tasteless, but it is accepted all over as a best breakfast option. So let's begin today's recipe. For this I've heated up a pan, added 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I've added a handful of chopped coconut pieces. This is optional. Fry till the coconut changes a bit of color, then add a handful of cashew nuts or kaju. A handful of raisins or kishmish. Saute till everything goes brown and the raisins bloat up. Remove and keep this aside. Then into the remaining ghee add 1 cup of rolled oats. Saute till the oats change color and turn a bit crisp. Then add 1 cup of jaggery or ghee. I have added organic jaggery. You can use any other jaggery too. To melt this jaggery, I have added half a cup of water. Stir to make sure it's well combined. Now to this I've added 2 cups of milk. I've used normal milk. You can also use almond milk or even coconut milk for that matter. Mix well and let the payasam or kheer come to a boil. As it starts coming to a boil, it will thicken up nicely. For extra flavoring, I've added half a teaspoon of Elaichi or Cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of dry ginger or Sonth powder, the payasam is ready. Take it off heat and add the sauteed nuts. Mix well. Your delicious oats payasam or kheer is ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.